Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is a cooking video and I'm going to show you how I baked this cake. This is a chocolate cake, and if you want the recipe, comment down below because I have the video on how I made this. I mixed all these things, but today's video will be on how I bake this cake using my gas oven. And if you can see this cake, it has not burnt anywhere. It just cooked right. If this is your first time visiting this channel, welcome. This is the place where we cook, we talk, we do hair, we do cleaning, we do whatever thing that comes in your mind when you think of a housewife. This is the place where everything happens. Thank you for the returning subscribers. So guys, before we continue with the mixing procedure and everything, I want to introduce my gas, my standing complete gas cooker. This is it. It has 4 burners. This one is big, then followed by those 2. Then this one is smaller. It has served me well. I don't use a lot of gas. So that's it. Okay, this is the knobs. So this cooker has a total of 6 knobs. No, 7 knobs. This one is for the timer. This one is for the burner, a burner, the cooking one, the top burners, the ones that I cook with, these ones. And this one and this one are for the oven. One is for the bottom part and this one is for the upper part. This one is for grilling. I only use this for baking. I don't light both of them while I'm cooking anything, either baking or grilling. I only use one. It's either I'm grilling with this one or I'm baking with this one. So this and this knob is for the burners up there, these ones. This one, the cooking burners, not for the oven. These 2 are for the oven. And then we have the lighting. This one is lighting for the oven. This one, the lighting for the oven, and the skewer. When I press this button, the skewer and the light operates at the same time. There's no way I can switch off the light and the skewer is going on. They were manufactured, or they were they were made to work together. That is its work. And then here I have the ignition button. And for my cooker, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works. It has a mind of its own. So here, this is the oven. This part is the oven, this one. So let us open and see. Now this is the oven. I don't know if the light will... Okay, it is lighting. Okay, this is the oven. I have the wire rack here, and then this is the oven thermometer that I use to regulate the temperature, because this cooker does not have a temperature regulator. Now that is the reason why I had to buy this separately. It didn't come with the cooker. So we have this bottom part. Let me see if you can see the inside. If you see this, there's a burner. Yes, there. You see that? That is the burner down there. But when I'm lighting, I light from here, and I use a matchstick. The ignition button does not light the oven and the grill part. It only lights the burners, the cooking burners on the top. And then when you come up here, now this is the upper burner. I light from here, the whole of this one. As you can see, as you go there, you can see that is the top burner there. So when I want to grill, I only light this part, the upper part alone. I don't light the upper part and the bottom, because the bottom is meant for baking and the top is meant for grilling. And then that thing you see here, this one, that one is the skewing part. When you want to skew chicken or meat, I don't know if you can get this. Let me see if I can show you. Oops. You see that? And it's rotating. I don't know if you can see. Yes, that one. It is rotating. So that is what I was telling you. You see that bulb and this skewer are the ones that work with the same button. With this button here is the one that operates the bulb and the skewing part. So inside here, so inside the oven has several places where I can put my rack. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I mostly use the second step from the bottom to put my wire rack while I'm baking. But when I'm grilling, I prefer putting it at the third. That way the meat is near the heat. Okay, that is it. Now what you're going to do, now that I've already shown you what in details how the oven looks like and how it works, so I'm going to show you how I light. And I don't know if it's necessary for me to show you how I light the gas oven, because I have other videos on that. You can go and check the other videos. There are so many. There are around 3 or 4. So go and check how I light the oven. So the first thing we're going to do before I start mixing my ingredients is to light the oven. That is, we are preheating the oven, and then I go and continue preparing the batter for baking. That is the first thing you need to do. After preparing your ingredients, leave your ingredients there, come, preheat your oven, go back, and then start mixing your ingredients. Okay, so let me preheat the oven. So the oven is already preheated, and let me show you before I open the door. So that is 180 degrees centigrade, equivalent to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's ready for me to put the ingredients in the oven. Remember, When you open the oven door, don't open it for too long because the temperatures will start decreasing. So you just open, take in the butter. Remember, I don't place it at the far end, I just place it at the center there. I don't want it burning because the back part there is the temperature is high. There we go. So then close, and this is where I place my temperature, not temperature, burner knob. This one, this is where I'm going to bake it from. There, that is where my temperature is right. So as I was telling you, now you see when you open the oven door, the temperature starts decreasing. Now it's at 170 degrees centigrade. So I'm going to bake you. I hope you've seen where I've placed my baking tin with the butter. It is at the middle point of the oven, and I'm going to bake this cake for like 45 minutes. Then after 45 minutes, you're going to check if it is ready. If it's not ready, you're going to check it again. No, add some more minutes, like 10 minutes again. Then come back and see if it is ready. So that's it. So the cake is now ready. As you can see, so beautiful, so nice. It's also spongy. And it took around 1 hour for it to cook properly. So remember, the pan I used was 8-inch in diameter, and the cake I was baking was 1 kg. So the time I used was 1 hour. To bake the cake, I used 1 hour at 180 degrees centigrade. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, give it a like, a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not, hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload another interesting video like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.